Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a brief look at a recent trade-in, a Avalon Catalina 2020 model with the fishing floor plan. All right, so Avalon Catalina, nice boat, very good sound system in it. All Infinity speakers. This does have the removable Minn Kota trolling motor on it. Half gate here so you can keep the gate shut and still have your trolling motor out. Double bimini, this is in the folded down position, but when it is folded up, this zips to your back bimini. That way you've got shade over about 80–85% of the boat, which is nice. Two-tone interior, done really well. Upgraded flooring with the faux teak on it, which I really like. Subwoofer, amplifier, does have a Humminbird fish finder on it. 150 horsepower on this one, so the boat will get up and go. It's a nice, it's nicely done. In-floor ski locker, cover stowed down in there right now. L bench back here, and back in the back, the fishing part of the boat. Really nice captain seats. Nice aerated live well built back into your fishing post, back into your fishing station, and as well as lockable rod storage over here on the side. Really nice boat. A lot of fishing pontoon boats, they're either so set up for fishing that they don't do anything else real well, or they just have, the fishing becomes an afterthought. On this one, laid out really well. So if you're looking to do some fishing, but some other people on board the boat may just want to hang out while you're out there, really good layout for that. So if you have any questions about this or any other one, just see online, or if there's something you're looking for that you're not seeing, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.